Good afternoon, wonderful fans. Me today one yet, and I say, I'm not prepared for this, but I think the real truth behind Aketem's absence must be said today. Because I need to bring out the truth today. Please share for us. Share that your wonderful fans will be interested video, baby. Won't share mommy. One thing I can say at first is Inipa that's an Indian kaye. Inipa ninkaye. Share video, mommy. Share live video, mommy. I was not prepared for this, but I think most fans are asking, where is Akete? I think I came here not long ago, like some months back. Ebeka say Aketemp3nis3m echo boarding school. Yeah, that is the truth. Echo school or boarding school, but there's a reason behind that, and I know what's going on. But I'm a fighter, and I don't just give up on some things. The real truth is, share live video, mommy. Yeah, good evening, boss. Share live video, mommy. Share, mommy. Before I say this, upon all what I'm doing for Aketemp3nis3m, the truth behind this is, Aketemp3nis3m, firstly, me fans something near Jumano. I am taking care of school activities. Me na me share primary school. From there, I share Juma say till now. We've been working for 1 year. Now, I was taking care of school activities. Me paying every month. Even every month, there are provisions, food stuff, just for ne mama ne papa. Okay, so muni sika bia mfanya dai emfa hwa akra no because my jaya dai aboso. This is a big truth I'm telling you guys. Me can be amunjindi, but I'll tell you here. Aketemp3nis3m is not my real niece. Onya me offer sepa. Onya me blood. But me don't know more than even my niece and my nephews. Yes, you see way back last 2020. It was I think maybe about 2020, ending of 2020, and I'm here Aketemp3nis3m. Just say yet if you back home, Aketemp3nis3m because of a Beyou Comedy. And I'm a far crano. I'm the near Juma. At first, Nana Papa and day, and Tiasia. Aketemp3nis3m fast in the corner make a tremor. This is the truth. Here. And everything as he said here. Their course to be a menace to be a man from Bebiano. And no more course way back. But I need to say it here. Aketemp3nis3m fast. He's not my blood, but I just love the girl. Many are going to share Juma Seno. Nane Papa Tiasia. No Montiasia. But so when I prove them wrong, everything I get to do is Mina Mekamaneka. Diobeka Mina Meka. Me channel their own year. The stories are built from me. And then my page I created this timer. Mudi nyansa kwan so eji akwane from insem se me dey call boarding school. Just because me person akwane from insem. Ya share Juma said that time no. I told myself and I told you parents ne say the ekeka kono na me boa ye benya sika kakra free YouTube nim. Nti me bi account am akra no. Ya share Juma na se no first 2 months you try account on YouTube because the views were coming but non-payment was coming. Ajimebia and asika bi amount for the first 2 months. But I knew what was going on. Said the edi anima ye ban so me babe catch mo say me bi account am akra no na dachi bi no me diska bi agum ama no. Na wonyini a waka say ofayima ye dey ofayima aboa me ofayima ye bibia ma me ofayima ye bibia ma me be catch mo Yeah, Juma for let's say 3 good months. Me ohana papa ne friend me phone so say me mbro na me won komo. That was early 2021, way back February. The share Juma 2020 no. Me be account my no, and at the month of November. Yes, November. So in 3 months time, that is on February. Papa ne friend me phone so say me mbra on me won komo. Me kwa asmo ka twa me say obusa me say me be account my no. Me ka twa ne say dada ade amaka twa mo say akra me be account my no e je na kese me ya adwuma for 3 months je na kese me account my no me be account my no me say bi sika gu akwa ni ma no kakra for ne dache na du ni birthday a na ma yi sika no ya de menya bia me de abo me say da munji sika no se ni enya ma akra no na wo de ya ade ama no mo de ayi bibia ma akra no ne dache nti asma pa ne busa me ne say na account no hwan di na shem. And I say, next of case, I Aketemp3nis3m because only 18 years I will be account. Only 18 years I have granted maybe account. So account me be no. And me dimu next of case I Aketemp3nis3m. And I Wendy. And I was fine. My day, Mati. I was there again. You guys called me again. And I'm a back. They call you say, omu pese accounts no. Omu account in him. Like, and the Metias here, person more account in him. Sikani Brenabino, I shall see from there. I shall see from there. Say, Omu nim Sikambos Muscanim. And I'm so okay, fine. Said the Baya, I can't dutch into be from the Sikan in some kind of Sikantin, and me, dear Bayano. Some person will sadia, and I person which sadia. The Mayan say, account no, because directly every information, number, Gmail account, Gmail no, I would seek to be account ma. Who be notification say, this is the amount I'm to account to. And I'm quite nina. It's from that month in the corner, me post to scatter to account to ma. I had I reflected on my account to. Number total amount I'm to account to. Munim Biako, you had the app on your phone. Enko wiase no musa afre me bio eno nkoda wo eno nkoda enwo chire wo musa afre me bio aka twa me say mu bra bi wo mu krom afre mo say mimi Beyou meet me direct akwa no nsa anya akwa ne manager at the same time. And I'm say what akwa no time o se sumase na oba no time was underground and no be anim sa akwa no mfaso ebenya mfaso no ne ho beba mfaso no na mo wa hefa so meet me na recha akwa nsa manager at the same time eto me manager head am akwa no that was share adwuma say 3 months 3 months mo na akwa ne baso no me di akwa ne ba na me ka sem no e se na no manetimi e kan de all kan no e wo screen no mo ya dai mo say mo pe manager head am akwa no and I say it can be possible. Me ma kwanoka entweni akwana ma akwana me yesta na me nsan first can confirm from him. That's not possible. That's never going to be possible. It's not right. Lord have mercy on me. It's not right. Some of us are kese mo manager ma akra no sa semwe me ko fa mpanyimfo betenam me maame tenam me fa mpanyimfo betenam efre maame no akra ne maame akete maame ma no betena inside and ye busa ne say e den ekoso de ne how mo cause enya possible say me a me di akwa na ba no me a me ba akwa no ka no mo pese mo ji akwa ne mo bi so bi na manager akwa na me first kan ko fa akwa no that's not possible. Enko wiase nyina no on pese me di sikasem no ye dai e show mo nsa asama me catch me say sika na yes ye di sika no but me na me di akwa na ba this time the whole world knows say Beyou na di akwa na ba na dachi bi no ensi akwa na ye dachi a ye beka say me e na my day ma we si akwa na life enti sika na me protect no just say mo be hu sika nim but obi anfa ne san ka sika no na dachi bi no onyini a wonya fan bi say this the money Uncle Beyou day e save mama ne kwakwa mu no say de bi ansem nya ba koda no o say me hand over sika na ye day e de mo mo meso me dua kwa na dache me dwe adwuma ye koso ne start me pese ne start be shut down no manya dai manjai adwuma ne ye me te na se na me call bank that was Fidelity Bank The date on 5th March 2021. 5th March 2021. A juma for 4 months. Me for tantana mun yimin di se me mumbu me ode me ye no. That day na me ko isika ni nyina ba no. Esa ne kasa na mo ka nyina se me ko isika ni nyada yi emfa mbre wo mo no mun take over the account. Na me say fine. Maka mate. Muna me ne papa ne mama ne papa. Enti mo ka dia ma yeda mate. Me call bank on the 5th March. Eko yi an amount of 4,050 cedis. 4 months here juma no. 4,050 cedis. Na me ko yi ye. Me de brown ma me nati wo papa nati wo. Me handi over me catch am say akwa ni ye munti no sika no ma obi amfa ne sanka. Do be hia bia mon kan twa me. Hono obi amfa sanka ne sika. Mo se mate, mun fa sika no nya hwe. I'm so okay, mun ko bi account no mo nya dai. Mon fa account details nya dai. Emre me. Na se edu se me discount to account ma. Me dia fa sa account ma me. Na ma papa nso ma dai mate na mo ji sika no. Sika ni ti o na mo ji sika no. Me try be 2 weeks na account ne buy. Me bo mo pressure, me pacho, me here account no. No mo di account details ne bre me no. Also could be a counter. Your mouth slip be. Emma who total amount ne was can some. Sika 4,050 cedis no. Eba naka 3,000 cedis. Let's ask ourselves 1,050 na why for. Is can free so. I didn't talk. Manka way. Manka just a word on that 1,050 cedis from the money. I didn't me basic besida. I'm just kind of more. A year Jumano. Said it just to detain our fans. Because I'm me judge mana and I can't judge mana. They carry back from because baby you do no near do a chi. January March. Epo was a kind of bad day. I said everything. The bad day beduno me a day me bam be catch you say. Me bed in Yambo China. That was on the 13th April. Near 12. Because you must say 13th April. You be see me the bad day mark rano. Enti mu yada muba ku maginem e ma no nyame bo chi na that is 13 April ni ko di birthday ma dai e ma Aketemp3nis3m mama ne ka chem say onye dai ontimi e maginem cause oye adwuma papa no so say o twika o taxi driver onya ho timi no se maginem musika bia ni mo ne birthday me boka almost 2005 plus on akwa ne birthday mi ko di man school keka me to nye cake to we could demand school and you when say okay your dear man school dia adentina yanko na team ni nyina ne akiti nkodi bed ni wo pizza man na akete ene engine ho nkodi di keke you could ni nya bai obi asika ni mu mi amsika me ba nyu na mka chem say na mukodi mama me hye mama ye hye na me di cake na me di cake no dai de mama mama di cake half na kai na me de brem. The next day, I say, hey, over a mountain to be my when I'm so okay, Matima. Muslim to be Mamma dia. Dia no media medis media medis can I could yakiti bed day. Amano. Munam will be online. Munim dia course, the bed day, munim dia course in the bed day. Everybody knows, Obia heavy online. Menkasa say that, but Nipatimosum. People are just ungrateful in this world. Tears in pains on the bar, my father must have a channel. General Cosono, I need to bring out new talent. And next day, no. And I'm saying, ma, some say, Mum, bibi dia. Sika ni nya day, asa. Enti munyi sika we. Na mo nkoto akoko. Na ho ne da munye day. Mumpu akoko na munye day. Na monwe. Because mo na monwe akra no. And I'm say, okay, mate. Me de mama mi no na papa ni ho. Mama ni so ato oji sika no. Mate ho pupu ebio. The next day, and papa mi twa na mama ni dware. He just called me and said, Beyou, and I'll say, ma. Me say, ade amikuna ye. Na me say, ade. Osisi kana ade ma me se me faman se enkoto akoko no okache ne se okache ma me ne se onu anko onyi sika no ade ya bebrebe kodi ma akwa ni nyina no de etimi de bro mani na say what akwa ne bede na mudi na me di mbabo ka musika bi animu no mo ka pre animu no mo se ka che me se sika me de ma mo ye dai esua mo nkoto akoko ne sika ni sua right fine no problem ona me se nipa dwi mo osum but mo se video ma me mo share mame nkasa say da ba mo share mame fa en sembe brebe me do every month bed ni sika no mo enkoda o ese sika na ma mo sua de akodi nyina ma akra no de metimi ni bro mani eno nkoda every month bia me ye shopping ma akra no every month bia aside ni school sem enkoda me hwe ni school me na me hwe akra ni school from ye share adwuma ase school ko na me change school man no registration almost 1,000 plus me ne koto admission me ko admission ma kwa no without their penny. Omo ntwe school fees that on now. Me na me sha kwa no 1 year. Me can't see me na me tia school fees me na me tia books obeto me na me tia na tare obese me na me tia nothing. Me get provisions aside school sem ni nyina any pay me pay akra no me get provisions mark one every month. Indomie, emo, anwa, milo, nido, sugar, gari, everything, biscuit, akra be hinya. Just because say musika sem enko from mfa musika na nyama ade na men to provisions mark one aside the pay no any sika me de man no provisions no so come de na mo no amoma no obedi indomie amunye indomie ma no obedi milo amule milo ma no me de sika kotoma no me de sika to ni nyama no me sika wo na me yema akwa no ye frame me papa ne mama ne frame me ebusa me say sa no ma no menya no hefa and I say da me na me to no ma na akwa no just because mo be ham kakra aso mo ka che me ne say obi abegina ayi omodwuma no mama ne ton flute okwan no obi e ba akwa no say ayi akiti ne biu de me na sponsor mo ayi indomie ni anwa e na mo na ayi provisions na me say what obi abekasi a chere mo okwan e na mo anti man frame an kan chere me bani enko wiase nyina no eye omutiri mu adwen omusi menya sponsorship from Indomie ena Indomie for sponsor me na matena so na me de kakra kakra black na say sponsorship am ya sponsor me ena mungu se me advert am Indomie for ena mungu se me advert ana mungu se me Aketemp billboard say about billboard say ya Indomie advert am Indomie ni pani nkae ya see me major sponsorship deal ena head me de atoto Indomie ni ayi black one every month me wan so me am sika mbotom sika me ton akwa no on ni pa atima adwen on ni pa trimu adwen me dia kete kobela samwa ofabel mam ye me de kobel ofabel mam ye but mo share video mam share mame mo share ofabel mam ye sa video ni ekọ ye na mam fo gu yesu bebrebe no akete ka chem so fa yi mamesa I'm so okay fine any yankoi I don't want me person besa no so besa. Ti yes no sako of a bill honum. Ti osa no na of a bill $2 makum yensa. $1 and a 1 cedi 1 cedi 4. $1 say almost 6 cedis. 6 times 3 say 24 plus 4 cedis say 27 cedis. Omo this can here day. Omo says come this kind of mame and this can here the shame bottom. 24 cedis oh man ponte case kakra me de kwa no ka ye fire no almost 400 cedis in and out de bedu fear ne days achi omo frame me ma me ba fie omo busa me say obi say Aketemp3nis3m pa adan ya okọ bela samwa yie no ya tu sika agunu so dollars agunu so pa na man fa me do mo na me say tiade nti na mo te sa adan to bi ka sam tra mo musa me dollar miensa $1 miensa time 6 cedis miensa say 24 cedis na ye kwa na didi ko didi say ka de ko say ade chi na mo ya de man yesa ade sam ya de man yam yesa enko wiase no o mu ka che me say ye ko ba bi dia ana esese no ye ko ba bia me ko bemfa obi o mu bi ni achi ne nipa ne me nko ba bia be se ko bia se bia me ne Aketemp ko ba bia obi ni achi ne enko just because o mu ni sem dia kwa na jisika be akwa ne jisika upon the me akwa ne nyina o ti so bi ma akwa ne 10 cedis sei na so fa yi ma me 10 cedis no 10 cedis no e de se me ho a o so obusa me revi se me na me akwa ne school revi se me na me to provisions ma akwa no revi se me na me sorry bi amount bi me save sika to akwa na account um obedi wi a me to ma no ta de nti na mo yesa me ko fa dollar na chemo adansi nti dollar mi ja no ho me ko fa be chemo Fadala papa. Bocha mon chame. What's up? Bien no more. Adansi $8 na hwemo. Mon ko tena yinum twa. Give dollar na chemo. Na wa dollar no. Si akomo nchemu. Dollar ni nie. Ebe ya chemo. This is a dollar. $1. Enuni mintumwi. Sika ni nie. Dollar na enuni. Wei eno mo say matina so no. Dia fa be otugu me atugu akete so na enuni 1 2 3 Human beings are ungrateful. This is the time I need to speak up. I can't on your fast you. $3 and dollar in That is it. Of a bill to 2 years no. I dance no. And it dear bass no. Minim say de ya. Issue way. A besi. I'm a media betcher. Anuni. Me pack when I sem. Me pack when I sem in any ways. Then I mean your crano. Me fact from the first video. Akwan wo the first video mo say akwa no hwe de ne waye na hwe de my akwa no hwe de my akwa no at this time adesina munyi nkae sa adesina munyi nkae sa This is a secret again. Maybe you of a Beyou Akete wanya mo fase no. Wanya mo fase. Me reality wanya mo fase. But mo share video ma boda mo share mame. Mo share video ni mame. Mo share mame. The truth must be out. Now mo keep supporting Beyou Comedy. Cause any penny in kaye. Ne kwa na meka. Minya an invitation from Dubai. Semenya day. Memra invite, just an invite. I will Dubai. That was cause I call na me boa 15th December last year. Minya invite no na ache. Me nko na me se da bi. Me nko me timi ko ba bi se amane nyeye. Because me ni akwa na ye adwuma. Se Beyou me of a Beyou mako Dubai se na mo hu Aketemp3nis3m mo Dubai ni ma. So Dubai a obeka se of a Beyou wo ye yimu. Wo ye pesimi nkum of a Beyou wo ye pesimi nkum nya. Ba me de yedai Aketemp3nis3m yedai. E ka ho se me de akete beko me fa akete ehwo ka me fa Aketemp3nis3m ehwo ka ne visa and the plane ticket and the visa me na me kan be se me fa ti me de ka ho mo ya we e na me ka twa mo papa ne ma me ne se me pese me yedai me ye a friend say passport e ma akra no me be passport am be che mo mo nche me ba be passport am che mo Pacho passport nini akete passport ni maybe ma chemo me yase me my life mbeka but me hu ade bia na me ya o ma ji akwana ma obi o ma ji Aketemp3nis3m ma obi without my notice o ma ji akwana ma obi without me my notice banya meti ase passport nini akete passport ni senya akete a mon kan chance me boa the passport ni me na mkodi agina mu ye ma akete me papa no ba ho be sign ye o ba ho be sign papers o be sign ye o be so affidavits so on ni papa me boka almost 700 plus cedis e wa akra no on this passport am ye ma akra no ye wie within 3 days na passport ne ba ye no me hono papa ne frame me say membra me kwa busa me say na akonto no ye be kono hefa na me say dada me pa cho e be ye Dubai ye be kono Dubai me nya akete ne be ko asmo busa me ne say na why da den be di akira ko adena me nya akwa ne ko no na why na be di akwa na chi ana be di me nya akwa na chi akobi ana me say da Eya me ni akwa na kwa na eko. Ba sem pese obi di a kire ko bi dia. Monye dai. Montua ni pakro no visa, ni passport, ni bibia na accommodation no onye dai. Oni a kire me nye dai na yenko. Na so you mate. I'm so okay mate. Tunu nse mete monka. Me twen mete monka wi a na afia ye dai. Ya sha say process no. Me fans mo Dubai. A mo contact na ni wasem America ho asemi. Me no mo ye ko mo ya we say ye be Dubai on the 15th December. Me na Aketemp3nis3m and they were waiting for us. Me ka sa papa ni we papa no say wate. I'm so okay fine. Ti me twen mo feedback. Next day me wo hono man am nya call. Akete wo fankasa. Ne wo fankasa frame me for mo kuro mo hono. Ebusa am say ye ko na am say ye ko Dubai. No say Dubai de kwan ne wa ente say ahane akra. So ho na ho na beka ho akwa na am say obi atimi nka ho nko. Some so bi ka ho de amonya dai. Muntwe nipa ko visa ne plane ticket. E me yenko. Because me timi say mo nipa no come here dai. Eni eche me yenko. Ana ase wate. Asma ka che me say Dubai de kwan ne wa. And as Arab country. As Arab country. And se bibi kwa ya akra na. Hono mko busa no. Mo hwe nipa mentality o. When ni patrimu asem. Se bibi kwa ya akra na. Hono ko busa no. Dubai na mje akra ne ko no. Akra me ko baabi a metam ne bombo ne ko baabi. Metam bombo sem me am wo faase. Abro nyemo faase. Ene ko baabi. Ye ko program a amanfo odi na chi bo no ho ban. Nasa ne kwa no omo dwen bone twa adwen anipa na dwen se bibi kwa ya akra na hono bebusa no na am so okay fine no problem medase ene kase bi no kate ko no e hono mi ba dwen free akwantu no so to mo Dubai kwa be dance say omo frame say benya ba na am se o benya ba be no be minti ye chen kakra e benya ba no be minti ye dey ye chen kakra because me twa ntro kire omo nim say me ni akete be Dubai just for a visit keke. Me say mo say we mame. Why? Mo say mame. Because fans na busa mache and I need to voice this out. Cause they me hu no, me ka de me hu a kire mo. They me hu no, ti na me ka sa same way. Me the real truth behind everything I so between me ni Aketemp3nis3m. Say me obi aka me judge man da. But me can me trim say adwuma we ni adwuma I was born to do. And I want talent no. I don't want the talent to be hidden. So I'll keep on doing it. And I'm enya many mama na ye adwuma. Nya papa na ye adwuma. Many akra na ye dey ye adwuma. That's why I kept moving on with Aketemp3nis3m. For the first 3 months, come na kwani je adwuma kra ye. But no, me na nya adwuma ye. Ye till now. And me Dubai bomb because of akra no. Because of family no. Almost say obi obedi akira kobi. Because of the bad thinking I'm thinking about akra no. Aba menya akwa no said ne kwa omo bi nsem de akwa no call Dubai a me de akwa no koye programs agisika meanwhile we were going there for a visit nya akotwa comedies e wo honom just to make our comedies international Aketemp we e wo mitrim anu ti me comment man ko Dubai ni bi me comment man ko Dubai ni bi e bomb because of akwa no enche bi na nya YouTube subscribers 100,000 subscribers yenya 100,000 YouTube subscribers. And a YouTube for my award. That is the plaque. Award no carry. Watch me ba. $100,000 YouTube subscribers. Watch your name. Where are YouTube for the my 100,000 YouTube subscribers. 100,000 YouTube subscribers. I can't do any show. But I've been ungrateful to me. Upon the Mayama Krenino, they are being ungrateful to me. The Mayama Krenino, they are being ungrateful to me of a me be you. I'm refusing to Masha Kwanesa school till now. 1 year. Me 4 times Masha Kwanesa 1 year without your penny. YouTube subscribers, the mini 100,000 subscribers in Yenya on YouTube. 100,000 subscribers on YouTube na YouTube for my award we. Emma me come award na day about social media. Me award na day about social media. So the buy am saying na be day ebehu. Am saying na be day ebehu say yenya 100,000 subscribers. ya you atwam me o hwa na papa ne baaye e frɛ me se memra me kɔni mu obusa me se afayima na akete Wendy wonya award na me mfa mbre no am say that Wendy nya award be na me mfa mbre o so Wendy nya award a me obehu me de ko social media na metimi me de bebre o am say award be o say obi friend from omo honom say omo mtan honom ne bra na friend from omo mtan say akwana award na me mfa ma no na me ko yi be cho say that hwe mpa cho 100,000 subscribers for Beyou Comedy team. For Beyou Comedy team. 100,000 subscribers for Beyou Comedy team. And ya Aketemp3nis3m. The whole Beyou Comedy team. Akete ka hon, Beyou ka hon, the whole crew. And let's not forget, say, me be a YouTube channel, no? 2013. Na me be a YouTube channel. Ni nyan wa Aketemp3nis3m. My emo juma sa for several years before Sinamiandom Opeja Nsa 2020 amaye. Opeja Nsa 2020 ama me ene Aketemp3nis3m. Ade na ni peti modern sa. Kese amanfo sensem abonten ena mu cheche amanfo sem. Abonten so for abonten omu ti sei, obi ti sei. Ena obi ba maame ne adwumam os maame ne se obi ba obi ka twa ne se, "Ei, oba ne akete." O se ai, o se akwe de, sem ne adwuma, ko benya sika bebrebe. Me da kwa ne adwuma ko benya sika bebrebe. To obi aka se me to 3 munti no, o me ho adwembo ne se me bi yu me yedai, me di akwa ne sika. Me fun tantan mi se wisika ma akwa no. Me be you na me di akwa ne sika no. Me yedai me hwa akwa ne school o. Manti bia me provisions ma akwa no. Se de be ya mo ho be ha ma kakra. Mo nyi musika mfa hwa akwa me na me be se me hwa akwa no. Because my job also me na me manage akwa no. So in everything I want to do bibia be favor akwa na man na ni aje. Me di akwa ne pie anytime. Make sure so obe feel happy. Christmas ye pie just make it me pie just to kodidi keke menini mi enu kodidi keke ni aba ba edru baby ye sha adwuma ase no mitimi da kwane ko baby a tama na ho nya manfaso no me ne sha ase no mitimi ta market because e fie no obi ani ni akwa no nannam sa me fa akwa no na me ne kokrom ekotompa bo ama no me ne kokrom ekoto ade ma no afedi akwa ne pega kakra no mimma kwani peja kakra no duru akiri no afede me di akwani ko krom se me kotomba bo ma akra no me di na ko kromo me kwa na me mama na yese bia me di akwani ko ba bi se mitimi kam akra ne ko se mba cho me koto ade ma me di akwani ko kotomba bo ma no mo nka hie but akra no abanfo paso because of me afede me di akwani pia bonten na me koto ade ma akra no kra ma mitimi frem phone so ka jem se yima na mo wai na mo se mama mpacho yewo grometo meto ade ma krantie e ba sisi na ne bo fu ka twa me se adenti na me ko man kra no adenti na wo ko man kra no adenti na me ko wan kra me mi ame ma wan kra me bibi ko akran sisi ya de na beka aho me yedin of phone so me say hey enipa mi ame di akwa no ko be bia no no mo nka hwe se di akwa no ko ba bia mutimi ka se adenti na me ko man kra wo anfa se me di akwa no ko ba bi na minim de eba e sha ase ache but I was a fighter. Don't forget say when I'm ready say I picked the girl from the scratch. Obi ani makwa no mfa so and akwa na be star because of me. And then we him bonia. Any penny in Kaye. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue this. Let's continue. Let me relax more. Because if I said I couldn't free me, Timu Akete was screen and Beyou. The road truth is, na me nim se o free me timunim. Na me nim se Akete yedai e free me timunim. But I feel the man akwa no e free me timunim. So this is an official announcement. Aketemp3nis3m is not part of Beyou Comedy anymore. The reason is this. and kwane ma kwan no ana mo ka say mo pese mo say school ni ma yen say school ni ma akra no I didn't know the reason why person say school ni ma akra no and I'm saying me pay school na me am ko nante ko pay schools miensa every school's information here dey Abraham say this is the fees, this is the admission fee nti no mo me enhwe na ye hwe house tie na afi if anything be ano ye school asia na my dey me da akra no akọ I'm say fine edi be 1 week na my day ma frɛ me papa na frɛ me na me ye day me call them o me call asmo ka che me ne say o ma pe school for from akra no that's a me school na me dey akra no ko 2 mu no school na me dey akra no ko 2 mu no o ma yi akra na fi school mo na ko school for na me say oh okay we dey asempa na school no dey tie nie okoda boarding house I was shocked na me say Aketemp3m boarding house say ni age no mo ka say me the video bi kwa video no ka say video me can na video but now you people are not getting me well me can video ni you people were not getting me well say my fans were not getting me well the na ekoso but am best me voice out because na me name stand na omugina no and I'm say okay fine mo dey akon to boarding school osua ni yie mu no de obehwe ni yie no ombehwe ni yie na didie mu no se de ehwe no so wo fie no ombehwe ni su ya maye ana mo se an ombehwe ni su ya am say okay fine he say adwuma na eda ho no sa akwa ne ko sisie ya adwuma ne da ho no mu se adwuma kro ye yi ene de sha akwa ne school kakra enti onko na weekends Saturday Sunday na akwa na yedai abafie na akwa na yedai abafie ni echa comedies papa ne ka twa me say headmaster ne say akwa no owo school mo besua de yi pa enti no ye ma ne wo school but wo de enya hwe se in case ye de akwa ne ko school a meni omu nyina nko ne headmaster nko kasa se be de ya obeti ase saa encha ase moyo the headmaster be de ebeti ase saa am se dabi ade e ko so ide enya me de na me hu ba bia e free ba because me kai say mna bi atwa mu no omu ka so mpa manager ma akra because maybe you meeting director akra no sa manage no ebi ni ho saa me ya me ba akra no kan esi meeting manager akra no and director no kan so mpa manager ma akra no and then the school no mo dia akra no ko no adwuma no mba say dey e ba form but I'm a fighter and I never give up in life baby e free ba no e din ti e bibia e focus ni e ko so ye de ye to kan man kan na ka je dada ene oko school yi de na say for 3 months oko school onya adwuma ni bi wo na say man ti ke bia bia na kwa sentiment kan sika bia bi wo ana say what yes I said man doubt mukaya there was some month bi and I didn't release video for a week. That was the reason. So I was copying new person, because a new kid. New kid. That was where I found Aketemp3nis3m. That was when I found Aketemp3nis3m. That was where I found Aketemp3nis3m. Because Aketemp3m, he will leave a very big shoe. Because the whole world loves Beyou and Aketemp3m. So right now, it Akwana call boarding school just to separate Akwana from me. Na juma na de asenke ba Nyankopon no. I no share so dia do this time no. O ma enimu nwu ase. So I fresh out Aketemp3nis3m. Timu Aketemp3nis3m was queen. He was not here to take over Aketemp, but he was here to lead us till say Aketemp back. Na me nimisa Akwana ye de e kwa asaba back o. Na me nimisa Akwana ye de e kwa asaba back. That was my motive. But I'm say hu bia me say ade we de eno man ti si no maso ma me po bi na mfa ne enhyase enye adwuma no so that adwuma ne nkofom. So consistency was because of why I brought Aketemp3nis3m to add up to Koku Frempong. Ti Aketemp3nis3m no ana de ekoso no so no e ma me nka se bia ma ba mu bu wo me say me fo bi ba de na ya de ma ba mu muda mekoso aye cause me ya do ya abonten de nti na me ye person me nkunya obi am ne ye adwuma hweda me do akra we Aketemp3m akoma so sei da me do akra we God bless you. This is the truth behind this. The school no mudi akwa ne koy na me fa esi mpanyisem be share akete anan. Said the obey lead and kakra. Talent no, I was raising the talent of esi. So akete ba no I add up to esi mpanyisem. But I never knew say no mudi akwa ne from insem. Me hu rumors no. Because de me ye bia na nyam hwe. Nipa twa asem do mbeka, we beka no mutie. Make amount of money I'm saving my Aketemp3nis3m the whole year. Me phone tantan meka am man saying nati. Because people are being ungrateful to me right now. I was supposed to come not supposed to come online on live to talk like this. But me who be I'm not prompting me. I have to come online and talk to you guys, talk to my fans. Se na mu Aketemp3nis3m no be here juma. Imagine every minsem. Mu sa obi post Aketemp videos, pictures, new videos, new pictures are. Imagine Aketemp3nis3m every minsem. Imagine Aketemp3nis3m every man of a yima minsem. So omodi akwa ne course school no. Ana me ba live. Ebe kan live no de course no so me kan the same thing pepepe. Say omodi akwa ne course school na enye me pese de akwa no boarding school. Na awofo no na say yemfa no boarding school. So parents knows what's best. Enti nenye dey mfa akwa ne nko. Be kan live. Akwa ne course school dey 2 weeks. Ana me ye dey. Me chat teacher ni ba ko or me number. Na me catch and say this is where I knew say akwano imagine every minsem. Me chat teacher ni say mpacho me pese me yedai me besra Wendy Aketemp3nis3m Sunday very possible teacher ni na reply me that means no me biase it was Thursday until Friday anapa they were reading message on reply me I'm sending message say I didn't na maka as much na me feedback bia ade den e koso teacher ni boma me say I'll talk to the headmaster first. I'll get back to you. I want to say there is something wrong somewhere. And I'm here day. Me relax here. See, na we mu no. Teacher ni chat me say, headmaster na sit na mbo Saturday. Yenye day. You bet my barber here akra no. About 5 hours. I'm so okay, fine. This Friday no. And I me call more be we ho. Because top provisions. Akra no mo ben here bia. Provisions. Say me call me the command say only di na onye okay because me don't know no matter what teacher ni come smart na go shopping that Friday no so when you mre after Saturday na dru na your program bi nti ke be free honom ani me team na dey akọ ho na me nya call from papa no ba mentima mfa call no because na phone na shembo to manti ti me hu call no me be free no na wa send me audio papa na send me audio say what is yes me ko hia akwa no school a teacher ni na friend ka twe no what is me ko hia akwa no school me ko hia akwa no school but do ka che me say mama ntumi na nsi school ho enko hwa akwa no on pese me ban akwa ne da on pese me ban akwa ne say me hu akwa na me ntwam me hu akwa na mama nhwe na nim mpo no pese comedy ni sa be wu akwa nim on pese comedy be wura akra nim Aketemp3nis3m o se me hu akra na menye dai me ntwam ma me nko school mo nko hwehwa enko sra akra no o can preach them in a recording audio recording and am sending man say dada o saka bibi say ma me nko school mo nko hwehwa akra no because odi akra ne ko school mu no makofo obi aba say anipa no ebe sha akete anan so they were wishing say akra ne ko na aduma ne da ho saa o nti makofu bia be sha akwa na nan sa omunche nti ade nti na me ko hwa akwa no school mo ma me nsu school mo ko hwa akwa no na me ne akwa no contract no awu o kan plain tell me say me ni akwa no contract awu o se oni akwa no contract awu efi no ko hu me ba na me ba no efi no ko hu me ba na me ba no embe me ba no da una twam kese akura ohumia na oba benche ofayima akwa no humia na wotwam because of the akacha akura no when I recording my papa born reply say dada many akwa na sign contract bia o and I say sign contract kwa na aka bia we nkentim yesi kamotimi nyini free misem say the margin is free misem many akwa na nyedai enko contract but enya hwe ma menya medjuma me phone tantan amiti hai me na me hwe akwa na saa 1 year till now obi aka pranim me phone tantan me na me service sika gu akwana account in the total 1 year me ni akwana ye adwuma me phone tantan ya Beyou me tewe ya say akwana no yetete nsem say me je sponsorship me akwana ko ba bi ko gisika no me phone tantan no in the whole year me save 11,000 cedis plus marketing penyisem in a year. 11,000 cedis plus in a year for marketing penyisem. 11,000 cedis plus for marketing penyisem. 11,000 cedis plus for marketing penyisem. School sem my mom. School sem mbem. School fees em tia mbai. Oko school week as come de man no mbai. Scam de ma kwana nya dai mbai yo. Edu ba bi kwa no car no ofo trotro ne ko school. Me ha taxi e de me ha car e ma kra no say on fan ko school in and out just because say the brand na kwana branded no hono he's too big. Also protecting no. Ti ma me nya madwuma. O ka twa me say enye obi ne be ne ba ma no. Me yesi me my life me kasa. I'm talking from pains. I'm talking from pains. I'm talking from pains. That's why I'm making no more in a come. Yes, making in. But ebi na mo hu akete o baby. Na nyame. O magina mo bi. Mini pa fon tantan ya, me Beyou of Beyou, me di akwana ba no. Ma born ho ka do this time no. Ama na ba superstar no. Ama service sika gu no hono no. Ma nye pesimi nkumunya. Ama service sika egu akro no hono. Ene ye ka kye me say ya nka nkyem se me nhwe obi aba ma no. Obet ma hwe ne ba. Ya je na ma obi. Me kan the plane ha say ya je aketia ma obi afri me nsem. God is ni panin kai. Oh God. I'm sorry for talking this way. Monfanchame pass me kasa say. But I need to tell the world about this. The whole world needs to know this. The whole world needs to know this. Aja akwana from himself. Patch on me back. I'll be back very soon. Aketemp3nis3m. Upon all what I've done for Aketemp3nis3m. Social media, who they may market. They may yakra no. Baby, I free buy I will do the way. They have been ungrateful to me, but all this I need to voice this out. It's in Penyisem also. Dear Essino, Emma me nya odo say me man nye obstacles say me for be ba M1 bill. Esi nya me wo fa sepa. But my far cry no. And I'm the near Jumawi. Onyo bi ba. So let's all help me. Say the me di akra ne pakete ba ye no. Let's all help in supporting Aketemp3nis3m to push harder. Ono so obi ba sa. And I'm akofa no. Onye me wo fa se. Obi ba na makofa no. I'm the near Juma. Ni ma metemase. Na me di akra ne ye dey eye Juma. I know these challenges are meant to come just to make you strong. I'm still staying focused. I'm still staying focused. To me, someone more me. I am pushing me other guys no makano. For now, Aketemp3nis3m is no longer a Beyou Comedy member. Because Aketemp3nis3m. That's the truth. And that's the main thing I'm here today to tell you guys. I was able within 1 year no. Nye pese me nkuminya. Ma nye pese me nkuminya. Me save sika gu akwa no. Me save 11,000 cedis ma akwa no. Akwa ketwa at the age. Me share in school for 1 year. Me share no said ye show biba. Tontare ma no. But them abro chief for inase for always helping us in some things. Nyamisha munya. Nyamisha bi aso her library. God bless you all. This is the main truth behind this. I've not sacked Akete and I can never sack Akete because me don't know. And he is in me. Timishremo, let's help push my other people. Let's help push Aketemp3nis3m. Aketemp3nis3m is loaded with talent. Let's push Aketemp3nis3m. For now, no, yaji Aketemp3nis3m. That's the reason behind this. Because of a nipa ensem keka, iti amount for asem more than me akwa na ye adwuma no. Ma nya person nkuminya, na me nya me dwuma. Ba madamu ina mase. Keep on supporting Beyou Comedy. I know so you guys are not going to leave me like this. Let's help push the other brand. Let's help push my other kids. Them who your man live in say because social media is here and because they are posting Aketemp pictures. Say Aketemp3nis3m is coming back. But this time he's not acting with Uncle Beyou anymore. He's at Accra, but Accra was school. It's a tricks and everything they are saying is lies. See Aji Accra no, I'm Obi. Say nipa ni nye juma. Because you say me for tantan Accra ni me nye juma. Omuti me Accra na me nye juma bio. You say Accra ni humi a. Obi e di Accra na go to boarding school. Amos na go to boarding school. Afei that day na me say me ko hwa Accra no. Etwa emu no. Ni next week na Accra na wo fi. Aketemp3nis3m humi a on hwe manim. Aketemp3nis3m say ohwe say minim of ayimani because of the yakachre no. Because of the parents akachre Aketemp3nis3m. Yakachre Akete say of ayima is not good. Accra say obi akasem twe na on fancy he was roaming about and okachre man for obi na catch me straight. Say Akete chama say Akete okwan for so school. I say na don't try comedy say my mother say that I won't act comedy again. Me mama say of ayima enye. He say Aketemp3nis3m humi a on hwe manim kura say me nam ne ye adwuma. Akra na manya tan. Because you say much Accra no. Any pursue. But all the same no. We're still moving on. Keep on supporting Beyou Comedy. Please. Keep on supporting the brand. The creativity is still there. And we are still alive. And we are willing to prove doubters wrong. Watch out for Aketemp3nis3m and Kwaku Frimpong. Same as Kwame Eugene. I'm never giving up. Namisha Munina. Thank you for watching this live. Pachomba Namashe. So Aketemp3nis3m is not part of Beyou Comedy anymore. Because Aketemp3nis3m is not part of us anymore. Let's support Aketemp3nis3m. Onoso nya obiba, onoso nya me offer say obiba. But my fan and then ye juma. Me train no. Se mo mo me, I'm on support no. Namisha Munina. But people are ungrateful. Obo nipa di receipt. But all I can say is we mu mabemuda. Mekoso ya medjuma pa me ye. Mekoso ya medjuma pa me ye. I'll be training new artists. Timo who new artists bia o me page a. Me hwem mo support the brand. Because nipa amene sha ase na mama ne drew samre no Aketemp3nis3m. Thank you very much. Let's support Beyou Comedy. I love you. Namisha Munina. Beyou Comedy to the world. Pachamo say video be. Thank you very much. Oh God help me. Namisha. Support me. Support me and I'm bringing up new talent. Obi am baby am support me. Let's go back to our YouTube channel. Let things change for us. More support. Let's go back to YouTube and start watching our videos. Let's start watching the new artists. The person I started with is no more with me. Namisha Muina. Beyou Comedy to the world. God bless you all.